Okay, so it's our first trip for 2026 and we're going to Lapa once again to see if we can lure one of these bigger ones to take our baits. So I'm going with Billy. It's his birthday trip, so we're going to ask him to enlighten us with a few of his wise words.
Happy New Year, guys. Enjoy 2026. Let's hope for a nice ferry.
I'll say, sy sterk met 'n bietjie seer gekry. Sit van 'n bietjie mets op. Sy. Aan die ander kant ook. Dis is 'n mooi vis, Billy.
Ja, hy is baie mooi hoor. Jy moet 'n bietjie aan die mond ook terwyl jy mee besig is. Ja, is nie reg.
Kom maar, Bill. Baie dankie hoor. Gaan terug na jou huis toe. Daar sy. Daar sy. Ja, dis 'n bus.
Hy is mooi.
Water is coming down. Everything is wet. Wind, heavy weather, lightning. But it's good. After this, the water will be a bit more oxygenated, and we hope for another 2 or 3 fish. Maybe 1.
Hier kan dit ook seer gekry hoor.
Aan de andere kant het ook zo'n rooi ding.
Ja, dat is een vis. Ja. Precies zelfs aan hier.
Ja, met reg. Ja, tot hom lekker. Daar sy. Dan was ook net so ook so losgevoel.
Ai weet mens, oral beleid jy ook. Oral op beleid. Al die seertjies.
Vir die bek.
Kyk. Dit maar hoe geslaat, nee.
Ek nie so as jy gekry, maar
Hey?
til die botteltjie reg. Daar sy. Daar sy. Mooi. Wat dan, my maat? Hy is gebreek, is al wat tel.
Ja, nee.
Daar sy. Heiligtig. Good morning viewers, subscribers and fellow anglers. So this was a good specimen trip for us at Lapa. So far the most successful one in runs. We had 3 carp, 1 barbel, 1 came off, and we caught 6 bass as well. So it was really a nice active weekend, full moon, but it was like very hot, and then it rained, and there was a bit of everything. You also see the rigs and stuff. We tried a few things, we experimented on a few things, and some of it came off and other ones didn't. But that's fishing for you. It was really enjoyable. So thank you for viewing. Subscribe if you'd like, and put something in the comments. Let's chat.